Managing customer calls while keeping your business running can be challenging, but with the right tools, you can collect new leads without having to use your phone. Crew Control's online customer request forms enable you to capture leads and gather essential details without the need for constant phone calls. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up customer request forms that are tailored to your business's needs. Request forms can be linked from your website, social media pages, or even added as a QR code on business cards for your customers to complete as they need. Your forms can be included in job instructions for your team to quickly gather details out in the field. Let's get started. First, let's create a new customer request form. Start by navigating to the Settings menu and selecting Customer Request Forms. Once you're on this page, click Add Form to begin setting up your new request form. By default, the form will collect a simple message from the customer and request SMS messaging consent. You can customize the form by renaming the title and adding specific questions for the details you need from your customers. Let's add a new question. Consider using different types of fields, such as a checkbox for a checklist to let your customers select what services they'd like, a drop-down for time preferences such as morning or afternoon, and a date selector can let your customers pick their preferred appointment time. Let's add a drop-down for the customer's time preference. We'll call this time of day, and we'll add an option for morning, then one for the afternoon. Once you have your form set up the way you want, click Save. Now that we've created our first form, let's share it with potential customers. Back on the request form settings, find your new form and copy its URL. This link can be placed on your website or shared on your social media pages to make it easy for your customers to access. Consider using a free online generator to turn your form link into a scannable QR code that can be included on business cards or attached to job instructions for your team. Next, let's see how you'll receive and manage customer requests. From the customer form, notice all the customer contact fields will automatically be included to your form, ensuring you'll always receive complete information. When the customer fills out the form and clicks Submit, you'll receive an email notification with the request details. Let's go ahead and click Submit. From the request email, the contact details will be clickable links to help you quickly follow up with the customer. You can also click the Manage Request link to go directly to the Crew Control Sales dashboard. Let's go ahead and click that link. Now back on the dashboard, you'll see a new to-do item for the customer's request. Let's click on the request card options and view the request. Here you'll be able to see all the details submitted by the customer. Let's go ahead and close the request details. Once you've reviewed the request, the next step is to follow up with the customer and begin an opportunity. Let's click on the request options, go to Create Opportunity. From here, you can search for an existing customer or add a new one. If it's a new customer, the request details will automatically be pre-filled for you. For routing, use the built-in address search to pinpoint the address's location, and then add the customer. Once all the details of your opportunity are ready, you can click Save. And that's it. Crew Control's online customer request forms allow you to capture new leads and grow your business without having to rely on any phone calls.